Acts 27:1, 사도행전 27장 1절. And when it was determined that we should sail into Italy, they delivered Paul and certain other prisoners unto one named Julius, a centurion of Augustus's band. 우리의 배 타고 이달리아로 갈 일이 작정되매 바울과 다른 죄수 몇 사람을 아구사도대 백부장 율리오란 사람에게 맡기니, and entering into a ship of Adramyttium, we launched, meaning to sail by the coasts of Asia, one Aristarchus, a Macedonian of Thessalonica, being with us. 아시아 해변 각처로 가려 하는 아드라무테노 배에 우리가 올라 행선할새 마게도냐의 데살로니가 사람 아리스다고도 함께하니라. And the next day we touched at Sidon, and Julius courteously entreated Paul and gave him liberty to go unto his friends to refresh himself. 이튿날 시돈에 가니 율리오가 바울을 친절히 하여 친구들에게 가서 대접받음을 허락하더니, and when we had launched from thence, we sailed under Cyprus, because the winds were contrary. 또 거기서 우리가 떠나가다가 바람의 거스림을 피하여 구브로 해안을 의지하고 행선하여, and when we had sailed over the sea of Cilicia and Pamphylia, we came to Myra, a city of Lycia. 길리기아와 밤빌리아 바다를 건너 루기아의 무라성에 이르러. And there the centurion found a ship of Alexandria sailing into Italy, and he put us therein. 거기서 백부장이 이달리아로 가려 하는 알렉산드리아 배를 만나 우리를 오르게 하니. And when we had sailed slowly many days, and scarce were come over against Cnidus, the wind not suffering us, we sailed under Crete, over against Salmone. 해가 버디가 여러 날 만에 간신히 니도 맞은편에 이르러 풍세가 더 허락지 아니하므로 살몬의 앞을 지나 그레데 해안을 의지하고 행선하여, and, hardly passing it, came unto a place which is called the Fair Havens, nigh whereunto was the city of Lasea. 간신히 그 연안을 지나 미항이라는 곳에 이르니 라세아 성에서 가깝더라. Now when much time was spent, and when sailing was now dangerous, because the fast was now already past, Paul admonished them, 여러 날이 걸려 금식하는 절기가 이미 지났으므로 행선하기가 위태한지라 바울이 저희를 권하여, and said unto them, Sirs, I perceive that this voyage will be with hurt and much damage, not only of the lading in ship, but also of our lives. 말하되 여러분이여 내가 보니 이번 행선이 화물과 배만 아니라 우리 생명에도 타격과 많은 손해가 있으리라 하되. Nevertheless, the centurion believed the master and the owner of the ship, more than those things which were spoken by Paul. 백부장이 선장과 선주의 말을 바울의 말보다 더 믿더라. And because the haven was not commodious to winter in, the more part advised to depart thence also, if by any means they might attain to Phoenice, and there to winter, which is an haven of Crete, and lieth toward the southwest and northwest. 그 항구가 과동하기에 불편하므로 거기서 떠나 아무쪼록 베닉스에 가서 과동하자 하는 자가 더 많으니, 베닉스는 그레데 항구라. 한편은 동북을, 한편은 동남을 향하였더라. And when the south wind blew softly, supposing that they had obtained their purpose, loosing thence, they sailed close by Crete. 남풍이 순하게 불매 저희가 득의한 줄 알고 닻을 감아 그레데 해변을 가까이 하고 행선하더니, but not long after there arose against it a tempestuous wind called Euroclydon. 얼마 못되어 섬 가운데로서 유라굴로라는 광풍이 대작하니, and when the ship was caught and could not bear up into the wind, we let her drive. 배가 밀려 바람을 맞추어 갈 수 없어 가는 대로 두고 쫓겨가다가, and running under a certain island which is called Clauda, we had much work to come by the boat. 가우다라는 작은 섬 아래로 지나 간신히 거루를 잡아 which when they had taken up, they used helps undergirding the ship, and fearing lest they should fall into the quicksands, strake sail, and so were driven. 끌어올리고 줄을 가지고 선체를 둘러감고 스르디스에 걸릴까 두려워 연장을 내리고 그냥 쫓겨가더니, and we being exceedingly tossed with a tempest, the next day they lightened the ship. 우리가 풍랑으로 심히 애쓰다가 이튿날 사공들이 짐을 바다에 풀어버리고, and the third day we cast out with our own hands the tackling of the ship. 사흘째 되는 날에 배의 기구를 저희 손으로 내어버리니라. And when neither sun nor stars in many days appeared, and no small tempest lay on us, all hope that we should be saved was then taken away. 여러 날 동안 해와 별이 보이지 아니하고 큰 풍랑이 그대로 있음에 구원의 여망이 다 없어졌더라. But after long abstinence, Paul stood forth in the midst of them and said, Sirs, ye should have hearkened unto me, and not have loosed from Crete. And to have gained this harm and loss, 여러 사람이 오래 먹지 못하였음에 바울이 가운데 서서 말하되, 여러분이여, 내 말을 듣고 그레데에서 떠나지 아니하여 이 타격과 손상을 면하였다면 좋을 뻔하였느니라. And now I exhort you to be of good cheer, for there shall be no loss of any man's life among you, but of the ship. 내가 너희를 권하노니 이제는 안심하라. 너희 중 생명에는 아무 손상이 없겠고 오직 배뿐이리라. For there stood by me this night the angel of God, whose I am and whom I serve. 나의 속한 바, 곧 나의 섬기는 하나님의 사자가 어젯밤에 내 곁에 서서 말하되, saying, Fear not, Paul, thou must be brought before Caesar. And lo, God hath given thee all them that sail with thee. 바울아 두려워 말라. 네가 가이사 앞에 서야 하겠고 또 하나님께서 너와 함께 행선하는 자를 다 내게 주셨다 하였으니. Wherefore, sirs, be of good cheer, for I believe God, that it shall be even as it was told me. 그러므로 여러분이여 안심하라. 나는 내게 말씀하신 그대로 되리라고 하나님을 믿노라. Howbeit we must be cast upon a certain island. 그러나 우리가 한 섬에 걸리리라 하더라. But when the 14th night was come, as we were driven up and down in Adria, about midnight the shipmen deemed that they drew near to some country. 열 나흘째 되는 날 밤에 우리가 아드리아 바다에 이리저리 쫓겨가더니 밤중쯤 되어 사공들이 어느 육지에 가까워지는 줄을 짐작하고, and sounded and found it 20 fathoms. And when they had gone a little further, they sounded again and found it 15 fathoms. 물을 재어보니 20길이 되고 조금 가다가 다시 재니 15길이라. Then fearing lest we should have fallen upon rocks, they cast 4 anchors out of the stern and wished for the day. 안투에 걸릴까 하여 고물로 닷넷을 주고 날이 새기를 고대하더니, and as the shipmen were about to flee out of the ship, when they had let down the boat into the sea, under color as though they would have cast anchors out of the foreship, 사공들이 도망하고자 하여 이물에서 닷을 주려는 채 하고 거루를 바다에 내려놓거늘. Paul said to the centurion and to the soldiers, Except these abide in the ship, ye cannot be saved. 바울이 백부장과 군사들에게 이르되, 이 사람들이 배에 있지 아니하면 너희가 구원을 얻지 못하리라 하니. Then the soldiers cut off the ropes of the boat and let her fall off. 이에 군사들이 거룻줄을 끊어 떼어버리니라. And while the day was coming on, Paul besought them all to take meat, saying, This day is the 14th day that ye have tarried and continued fasting, having taken nothing. 날이 새어감에 바울이 여러 사람을 음식 먹으라 권하여 가로되, 너희가 기다리고 기다리며 먹지 못하고 줄인 지가 오늘까지 열 나흘인즉, Wherefore I pray you to take some meat, for this is for your health, for there shall not an hair fall from the head of any of you. 음식 먹으라 권하노니 이것이 너희 구원을 위하는 것이요 너희 중 머리털럭 하나라도 잃을 자가 없느니라 하고 And when he had thus spoken, he took bread and gave thanks to God in presence of them all. And when he had broken it, he began to eat. 떡을 가져다가 모든 사람 앞에서 하나님께 축사하고 빼어 먹기를 시작하매. Then were they all of good cheer, and they also took some meat. 저희도 다 안심하고 받아 먹으니. And we were in all in the ship 260 souls. 배에 있는 우리의 수는 전부 276인이로라. And when they had eaten enough, they lightened the ship and cast out the wheat into the sea. 배부르게 먹고 밀을 바다에 버려 배를 가볍게 하였더니. And when it was day, they knew not the land, but they discovered a certain creek with a shore, into the which they were minded, if it were possible, to thrust in the ship. 날이 샘에 어느 땅인지 알지 못하나 경사진 해안으로 된 항만이 눈에 띄거늘 배를 거기에 들여다 댈 수 있는가 의논한 후. And when they had taken up the anchors, they committed themselves unto the sea, and loosed the rudder bands, and hoisted up the mainsail to the wind, and made toward shore. 닻을 끊어 바다에 버리는 동시에 깃줄을 늦추고 돛을 달고 바람을 맞추어 해안을 향하여 들어가다가 And falling into a place where two seas met, they ran the ship aground, and the forepart stuck fast and remained unmovable, but the hinder part was broken with the violence of the waves. 두 물이 합하여 흐르는 곳을 당하여 배를 걸매 이물은 부딪혀 움직일 수 없이 붙고 고물은 큰 물결에 깨어져 가니. And the soldiers' counsel was to kill the prisoners, lest any of them should swim out and escape. 군사들은 죄수가 헤엄쳐서 도망할까 하여 저희를 죽이는 것이 좋다 하였으나 But the centurion, willing to save Paul, kept them from their purpose, and commanded that they which could swim should cast themselves first into the sea and get to land. 백부장이 바울을 구원하려 하여 저희의 뜻을 막고 헤엄칠 줄 아는 사람들을 명하여 물에 뛰어내려 먼저 육지에 나가게 하고 And the rest, some on boards, and some on broken pieces of the ship. And so it came to pass that they escaped all safe to land. 그 남은 사람들은 널조각 혹은 배 물건에 의지하여 나가게 하니 마침내 사람들이 다 상륙하여 구원을 얻으니라.